car waiting to pull this calf on the rope. We've got the rope on the bumper. We just need to get it under her bum. And I've turned the engine off because her mum is on the other side, so she's calling that way. So it is on the horizon behind Mark's head. Come on, sweetheart. So Robert's trying to turn her and bring her to the side that is shallow. And apparently she doesn't think that is a good idea. The trouble is that her mother is calling from that side, and that was the way her mum went, so she knows that she's over there. She does at least try and grab the rope. I need to go forward a bit because of the slack. Give Robert enough slack. Oh baby, I'm sorry. You fell in a well, you silly girl. So this is Zomba's calf, who we were all delighted is so big and fat and healthy until we had to pull her out of a hole. And give him enough slack. Careful! Woohoo! She's out, she's out. This is her rushing off to find her mum. Let's get in the car and go with her. We'll push her back to her mum.